Hi, Dan here with Dan's world famous ugly birdhouses. And are you not happy with your current profession? Is your life going nowhere? Well, in just 6 short weeks, I can train you to build birdhouses at the new Dan's world famous Ugly Birdhouse Institute of Tigard. That's right. You'll learn great skills like cutting, and you can also learn great skills like how to use a nail gun. And in just 6 short weeks, you too can learn how to build birdhouses. You need to sign up now. Classes are just $299 for 6 weeks. So message me.